Success does not lie in results, it does so in efforts. Being the best is not important, it is doing the best that matters. And Navrachnites have always strived to foster the spirit of excellence. To begin, I would like to invite the President of the Student Council, Veeraj Shah, to share his thoughts and open the prize distribution ceremony.
Thank you, Aryan. The habit of persistence is the habit of victory. Greetings everyone and welcome to Navrachna Samaj's annual prize distribution ceremony. Today we are here to virtually honor our outstanding achievers from the past academic year. From studying late nights to attending inter-house practices, these students have toiled hard and persevered in their walk towards victory. Their grit and determination are what makes them the achievers of today. If this unique year has taught us anything, it is that focus really is the key to success. Each one of us was working from home, yet only the ones focused enough to maintain a regular routine were the ones who were able to effectively develop a new skill or enhance the old ones. This is the perseverance that such achievers exemplify for us. In its raw form, the prize distribution ceremony is a recognition of resolve which can lead to great achievements, and Navrachna has always recognized and applauded such resolve. As Albert Einstein had rightly said, the true value of achievement lies in the achieving. These achievers were victors last year and they remain victors this year too. Recognition is but a part of the achievement, not its core. So congratulations to all the achievers and let the ceremony begin.
Thank you, Veeraj, for that heartwarming welcome. May I now invite our section in charge, Ms. Bindu Matthews, to lead the students in the morning prayer followed by the prayer song.
Father, hear the prayer we offer, not for ease that prayer shall be, but for the strength that we may ever live our lives courageously. Be our strength in hours of weakness, in our wandering be our guide. Through our endeavor, failure and danger, Father, be thou at our side.
I would now like to invite our principal, Mrs. Suprabha Menon, to share her thoughts with the gathering.
Dear parents, teachers and my dear students, greetings on this special day. The annual prize distribution ceremony is a much awaited event on our calendar. Not only for those who win prizes on these days, but also for those who are looking for inspiration and waiting to hear stories of grit and determination, endurance and enthusiasm and success and achievement. Unlike every year, this year the event is being held on the virtual platform due to the pandemic. However, the distance created by COVID-19 could not hamper our spirits as our teachers and students have come together to recreate the annual prize distribution ceremony 2019-20 on the virtual platform. I take this opportunity to congratulate all our prize winners, their parents and teachers. It is indeed heartening to see our students take away more than 350 Scholars Award and over 1,000 special prizes for leadership skills, academic excellence, artistic endeavors, sporting achievement and whatnot. We believe that the holistic development program that NSS carries out enables our students to be achievers and to see success very early in life. We strive to create an environment that celebrates commitment and rewards efforts. For us, every child is a potential winner. Thus, our effort is to provide opportunities for spotting and honing talent. The result of these efforts are invariably satisfying. As we recognize and applaud our achievers, many potential engineers will find their motivation in Nisarg Chadha, who secured All India Rank 16 at JEE Advanced, no mean achievement. Tomorrow's designers will find their inspiration in Ananya Maheshwari, who has made it to NIT. Lawyers in the making have Janvi Sahni and Devpriya Shashwat as their inspiration. Digant Mitra has set an altogether different goal for his juniors. He has gained entry to the prestigious National Defence Academy. Many of our students are heading to foreign universities and prestigious universities in India. To all my students, prize winners or not, a word of advice. Grab all opportunities that the school gives you, for that is what will take you towards your goal. Work hard, be consistent and disciplined. Those are the keys to success. Dear parents, thank you for constantly motivating your children and showing them the right path. A big thank you to the teachers of Navrachna School Sama for going all out to create an enabling environment that is the hallmark of Navrachna. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words have most definitely inspired us to strive and excel in all fields of life. Life is much like a battlefield, full of hurdles, struggles, opportunities and critical decisions. Today we have Kavya Limai along with Devansh Agrawal, Tanay Semwal and Pratham Agrawal presenting before us a song that motivates every soul to reach beyond and win in every battlefield.
पिघला दे जंजीरें बना उनकी शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी तुझ में हौसला तेरे जुड़ों के आगे अंबर पलंगे कर डाले तुझको फैसला रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह फतेह हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह फतेह हर मैदान फतेह तुम गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त के गिरे बात पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता उन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा कहने को जर्रा है तू लोहे का थर्रा है तू टूटी शमशीरों से कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, फतेह हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, फतेह हर मैदान फतेह.
That was indeed a beautiful performance by the students. And now, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for, the prize distribution ceremony. I request our activity in charge, Higher Secondary, Mrs. Anita Jyoti Nair, to brief us about the prizes.
Good evening, everyone. The school has instituted various prizes and awards to acknowledge and commend the achievements of our meritorious students who have left a blazing trail of glory in academics. In Standard 10, the Scholars Award is conferred upon a student who secures minimum A2 in languages and A1 in all other subjects. In Standard 11 and 12, the Scholars Award is given to a student who scores 70% and above in languages and 80% and above in all other subjects. The Scholars Silver Medal is awarded to a student who receives the Scholars Award for 3 consecutive years from Standard 5 onwards. The Scholars Gold Medal, the most coveted school award in academics, is presented to a student who achieves the Scholars Silver Medal for 3 consecutive years. I congratulate all the winners for their steadfastness and commitment. Thank you.
Dreams fuel our ambition. Give wings to our vision.
An unwavering mind never fails to reach its goal.
These coveted awards are the result of your never give up spirit.
And still, if anyone says you weren't worthy of the prize, we say you are the prize.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now invite Ms. Rashmi Mishra for further proceedings.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Navratna Knights strive to excel in whichever field they venture into. Such accomplishments as theirs definitely needs to be commended. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as the stupendous performance of students of 10th standard in their board exams. It is time for us to felicitate you on a marvelous job and wish you more of these joyous moments bathed in the sweet glory of reaping the fruits of hard work.
The first name on the list is Adhya Joshi, the class 10 school topper who has secured a whopping 98.8%. She is also the subject topper in mathematics with 100%, social science 100% and English 98%. She is the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the 2nd consecutive year. Next, we have Al Joshi, who has secured the 2nd rank with an astounding 98.6%. He is also the subject topper in social science with 100%, information technology 100%, science 99% and English 98%. Ayush is the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Anshi Soni ranks 3rd with an amazing 97.4%. She is also the subject topper in mathematics with 100%, science 99% and Gujarati 97%. Anshi is the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the 2nd consecutive year. Vraj Parekh also ranks 3rd with an equally amazing 97.4%. He is also the subject topper in mathematics and social science with 100% in both. Vraj is the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the 2nd consecutive year. We have another joint 3rd ranker in Devaki Kumar with 97.4%. She is also the subject topper in social science and information technology with 100% in both. Devaki is the recipient of the Scholars Award. Next on the list is Astha Rajani, who is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and science 99%. Astha is also the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the second consecutive year. Shivang Goyal is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and English 98%. Shivang is also the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the second consecutive year. Next is Heath Desai, the subject topper in French with 98%. Heath is also the proud recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the second consecutive year. Kajol Bhattacharjee is the subject topper in Information Technology with 100%. She is also the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for the second consecutive year. Sanvi Pandey, Kushal Patel, both are the proud recipients of the Scholars Gold Medal for the second consecutive year. Next we have Rushit Pancholi, who is the recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal. Shantala Datta, Ura Modi and Bhumi Shah are the proud recipients of the Scholars Medal for the second consecutive year. Abhyatanu Ray, the subject topper in social science with 100% and English 98%. He is also the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Juhi Dalwadi is the subject topper in mathematics and information technology, having secured 100% in both. She is also the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Tanvi Khanna is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Arjun Rathi is the proud recipient of the Scholars Medal. Neelay Shah is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Tanmay Mittal is the subject topper in information technology with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Medal. Jagrit Bharadwaj is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Jayanith Bharadwaj is the subject topper in English with 98% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Jhalak Jain is the subject topper in English with 98% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Vedant Patel is the subject topper in science with 99% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Shashwat Jha is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Shiven Patel is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Pratham Agarwal, subject topper in information technology with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Anandita Sharma is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Aksa Merchant is the subject topper in science with 99% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Ayush Padhi is the subject topper in information technology with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Adhya Tiwari is the subject topper in information technology with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Diya Gatha is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Arushi Prasad is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Aditya Singh Jamwal is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Navya Pandey is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and also the recipient of the Scholars Award. Aviral Srivastav is the subject topper in information technology with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. Shreya Shah is the subject topper in mathematics with 100% and the recipient of the Scholars Award. To continue with the list, we have Nandini Bhaskaran, Nandini Patel, Arjun Sheth, Ruchika Sharma and Shubhang Shirolawala, who are the proud recipients of the Scholars Award. Divya Bharadwaj, Garima Jain, Ayushman Neeraj, Parima Shah and Yugal Bhairava are the other recipients of the Scholars Award. Anushri Kumar, Anay Kumar, Het Kacharia, Abhali Manoria and Het Aswani also received the Scholars Award. Rishikesh Sane, Malay Mishra, Ashish Rudi, Sherlyn Davina, Dhriti Srivastav are also the proud recipients of the Scholars Award. Shrishti Bisht, Jaisal Chaudhary, Krishang Nigam, Khanti Shah and Mahi Shah also received the Scholars Award. Dhruv Buddhadev, Pratham Sikka, Stuti Shah, Aryan Singhal and Aryan Makwana also received the Scholars Award. Continuing with the list, we have Aman Jain, Pranshu Pandya, Anushka Shah, Lipi Raj and Adi Mehta, who are also the recipients of the Scholars Award. Manya Pachpur, Rachit Shah, Siddhi Metter, Hariom Bhatt and Mahad Desai also received the Scholars Award. Continuing with the list, we have Nishi Kotia, who is a subject topper in mathematics with 100%, Swayam Srivastav, the subject topper in information technology with 100%, Sanyogita Uchadia, subject topper in science with 99%, Manan Anand and Divya Ghai, the subject topper in English with 98%. The other subject toppers are Anya Rajan and Subhagya Parashar, both with 98% in Hindi, Joanne Narona, the subject topper in paint with 85%, and last but not the least, we have Mitali Rane, the subject topper in home science with 68%. What an amazing feat! Heartiest congratulations, everybody. I wish you all the best for much continued success.
May I now invite Ms. Darshita Parekh to announce the academic awardees of Standard 11th.
A very good evening to one and all. Seniors set precedents for others to emulate. Our institution's belief in our students is unwavering, and year after year, our students fall true to this axiom. We applaud and exalt our students' academic achievements.
Presenting the stars of class 11 who have reaped the rewards of their persistent and earnest efforts. Anupsa Swain tops the science stream with a brilliant score of 92%. She is the proud recipient of Scholars Award and Dr. J.N. Patel Award. The commerce stream topper, Aparv Kamdar, scores a fabulous 89.2%. He also receives the Scholars Award and late Kalyani Desai Cash Award. Mansha Sharma tops the Humanities stream with an exceptional score of 92.2%. She is also the proud recipient of Scholars Award and the Bridge Jain Memorial Award. Presenting the Scholars Gold Awardees, Param Shah, Vandita Rawat, Jetun Patel and Krupal Panchal. These students are proud recipients of the Scholars Gold Award for the third consecutive year. Next in line, we have Atman Soni and Suhani Bhatnagar receiving the Scholars Silver Medal for their exceptional performance. No less is the achievement of the Scholar Awardees, and our proud Scholars Award recipients are Atulya Sundaram, Heer Patel, Manasvi Yadav, Tuhina Mukherjee, Drishti Agrawal, Vanshika Agrawal, Kavya Limaye, Khushi Purohit and Anjali Singh. Congratulations dear students on your well-deserved success and all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now invite the Head of Department of English Higher Secondary, Ms. Saira Menon, for further proceedings.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is rightly said that the greatest achievers have been those who have always stayed focused on their goals and have been consistent in their efforts. They have accepted the challenges to feel the exhilaration of their victory. This is the moment to recognize, laud and motivate these stalwarts of Class 12 who have excelled in the pursuit of excellence. These young achievers believed in themselves, persevered to achieve their goals, and their success is truly well deserved.
Presenting before you the toppers of Class 12 Science Stream. Nupur Kodito Tatil topped the Science Stream with a whopping 97.8%. She has got the perfect score of 100% in Psychology and Biology. She scored a 98% in Chemistry. She is the proud recipient of the Scholars Gold Medal for 3 consecutive years. Nupur also receives the Dr. J.N. Patel Award for topping the Class 12 Science Stream. The second topper is Arushi Patel with 96.6%. She too is the highest in Psychology with a perfect score of 100% and is the recipient of the Scholars Award. Mr. Chadda is the third topper with 96.2%. He has scored the highest in Physics with 96% and also has the highest marks in Computer Science with 97%. He receives the Scholars Gold Medal for 4 consecutive years. Presenting before you the toppers of Class 12 Commerce. Janvi Sahni has topped the 12th Commerce Stream with 96.6%. She scored the highest in Business Studies and Accountancy with 98%. She receives the Scholars Silver Medal. Janvi is the proud recipient of the late Kalyani Desai Cash Award. Muskan Priyani holds the second rank with 92.8%. She gets a Scholars Award. Harsh Marfatia holds the third rank with 92.6%. He is the recipient of the Scholars Award. Riddhi Ramchandani also holds the third rank in the Class 12 Commerce Stream with 92.6%. She too is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Introducing to you the toppers of Class 12 Humanities. Vishwa Joshi topped the 12th Humanities Stream with 98.2%. She has a perfect score in Psychology with 100%. In Commercial Art too, she scored 100%. She secured a whopping 98% in English Core and Fashion Studies. She is the recipient of the Scholars Award. She also receives the Brit Jain Memorial Award for topping the Class 12 Humanities Stream. The second topper of Class 12 Humanities is Lisa Kisharia with 98%. She has the highest marks in Psychology with 100% and she scored a 99% in Political Science. She gets the Scholars Award. The third topper is Arushi Shah with 97.6%. She has the highest marks in Psychology with 100% and Economics with a 99%. Arushi is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. presenting before you the subject toppers of the CBSE board examination. Jubin Banerjee has scored the highest in mathematics with a perfect score of 100 and has scored 97% marks in computer science. He received Scholars Gold Medal for 2 consecutive years. Harshini has scored the highest in physical education with a perfect score of 100% and is the recipient of the Scholars Silver Medal. Sanjana Sanjeev has got the highest in psychology with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Devpriya Sashwat has got the highest in physical education with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Meghan Shah has the highest score in biology with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Aditi Mohanty has scored the highest in biology with 100% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Namra Shah has the highest score in physical education with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Yukti Bhargav scored the highest in psychology with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Kesha Shah gets the highest in psychology with 100% and gets a Scholars Award. Hiya Saha has scored the highest in Hindustani music with 100% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Kajal Kabdal gets the highest in commercial art with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Juhi Rathore has scored the highest in commercial art with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Dev Yadav is the highest in physical education with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Devi Patel has scored the highest in psychology with 100%, highest in history and entrepreneurship with 99% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Shruti Rajgore has scored the highest in psychology with 100%, highest in commercial art with 100% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Diya Vanzara is the highest in psychology with 100%, highest in commercial art with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Shreya Parekh has scored the highest in psychology with 100%, highest in Hindustani music with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Shazia Chashmawala scored the highest in informatics practices with 100%, highest in geography with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Soumya Iyer scored the highest in psychology with 100%, highest in entrepreneurship with 99% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Ananya Maheshwari scored the highest in psychology with 100% and gets the Scholars Award. Gopi Halve scored the highest in fashion studies with 98% and is the proud recipient of the Scholars Award. Saral Purohit has the highest in psychology with 100% and gets a Scholars Award. Dhara Dave is the highest in psychology with 100% and receives the Scholars Award. Shivangi Drolia is the highest in psychology with 100%. Manasvi Bipin is also the highest in psychology with 100%. Nandini Chaudhary is the highest in commercial art with 100%. The proud recipients of the Scholars Award from the science stream are Aditya Singh, Muskan Singh, Anushka Patel, Vishali Pandit, Pushti Shah, Reem Shah, Aranya Panda, Kashish Patel, Ishita Goyal, Sayantani Datta, Mohammed Bharmal, Bhavya Bukharna, Ariman Deshpande, Sashwat Kharod, Tajagnya Jaipal, Stuti Shah, Arnav Sharma, Varda Deshpande, Dhruv Bhatt, Meghal Patel, Tejaswini Haranya, Aneri Bhuptani, Ryan Robin, Kamya Shah, Karina Shah, Anshul Chawla, Ashrita Tyagi, Parth Langalia, Om Murendha, Anshul Bharadwaj, Jasleen Sekhon, Preksha Khatlawala, Abhiroop Yaramili, Ayush Patel, Lavya Lakhia, Arya Joseph, Saksham Garg, Yash Parekh, Dhruvashish Vangala, Shubham Singh, Anirudh Surve, Meet Makwana, Digant Mitra. Now presenting before you the Scholar Awardees of the Commerce Stream. Dev Kumar Hemrajani, Aman Poptani, Ansh Shah, Om Gandhi, Jay Jain. Varun Matlani, Darshini Bolisati, Twincy Shah, Shreya Prabhu. Let us congratulate the Scholar Awardees of the Humanities Stream. Priya Sutreja, Nini Verma, Khushi Agarwal, Tanmay Kala, Tanvi Pandya, Sanjana Advani, Pushti Mankad, Simran Patel, Arsh Soni, Dhwani Masand, Antra Anjal, Ritu Benjamin, Shresi Mandal, Valusha Panchal, Dhruti Athawale, Saivi Gupta, Soumya Rath, Priyanshi Dholakia. Heartiest congratulations to all of you on your achievement.
I would now like to invite the Head of Department of Commerce, Ms. Sushmita Datta, to announce the awards given to the stalwarts of our school who have shown exceptional results and competitive house spirit.
Dazzle with your skill, compete with your might, rise for your house and settle for a prize. Greetings from Navrachna Inter-House Competition 2019-20. Every year, the Inter-House Competition exemplifies wit, mettle and integrity, bringing out various facets of the students, be it in debate, quizzes, music, dance, street play and much more. Inter-House Competition is a platform that enables students to showcase their skills and talents. Our institution cheers their brilliance and applauds their achievements.
Writing is truly a creative art. Please welcome the winning team of English Creative Writing Competition. And the first position goes to Vaidehi Gupta, Trisha Ajwani, Arushi Patel and Dhwani Masan. We had a series of competition in Mathopedia, presenting to you the winners of Mathopedia. Coming up first is the Math Model Competition and the first position goes to Kush Golani, Ura Modi, Aviral Srivastav and Saubhagya Parashar from Ruby House. Math Thoughts was the next competition and the winner was Bhumi Shah of Emerald House. Math Illusion, well, no illusion whatsoever. The first position was taken by Nilay Shah and Janik Bharadwaj of Topaz House. Math Faces, beaming with a smile on their faces, the winners were Dhrumit Sudhar and Abhiroop Yaramali from the Sapphire House. Hold your breath, this is the Math Relay and the team which did not let the baton fall was the Emerald House. The winning team members of Emerald House were Shashwat Jha, Anya Rajan, Bhishma Devi Singh Rathore, Tanmay Mittal and Kushal Patel. Krishank Nigam, Heath Joshi, Dhruv Patil, Ashish Rodi and Samay Bhojwani. Om Morindha, Arnav Sharma, Dev Bhatt, Aditya Singh and Pushti Shah. A big congratulations, Emerald House! Math Quote. Winning the first position was the team from Emerald House, Tishen Shah, Riya Jasani, Aryan Desai and Shalaka Kelkar. There was a tie for the first position between Sapphire and Topaz House for Out of Box. For first position from Sapphire House, Argdeep Das, Yash Jagtap, Soumya Pokhrana, Ashray Parekh. And for the first position from the Topaz House, Devansh Agarwal, Nilay Nambial, Aparva Kamdar and Anupsa Swain. Math Wood also had a tie between Emerald and Topaz House for the first position. From Emerald House, Vandita Rawat and Shreya Purvar. From Topaz House, Sahil Raj and Rahul Dalal. The overall champion for Mathopedia were the Emerald House. A big congratulations to all the winners and to the Emerald House. अगर करना है अच्छे दिनों का आगाज तो सुनो यूथ की आवाज. Our students presented street plays on variety of topics and the team from Topaz emerged winners. Coming up, Roshi Shah, Manan Anand, Pratham Agarwal, Navya Pandey, Himakshi Tiwari, Devansh Agarwal and Chaitanya Prasheel. Coming up next, Lavanya Nair, Dhwani Masand, Saral Purohit, Arsh Soni, Ayushi Tiwari, Darsh Mehta and Shubh Suryavanshi. Congratulations, Team Topaz! They are razor sharp. They have the business acumen. Tomorrow, they might be CEOs of multinational companies, brilliant economists and businessmen. The winners of the Commerce Quiz are a special bunch indeed. The first position was backed by Emerald House and the winning team comprised of Viraj Shah, Kritik Vakil, Janvi Sahani, Riddhi Ramchandani and Madhuram Bhatt. Poetry emanates from the love of the written word and emotions. The very soul of these poems were laid bare by students in Touche and English Palette competition. First prize was taken by the Ruby House. The members of the triumphant team were Ramaya Jevam, Ritu Benjamin, Kajal Kaptal, Astha Kastia and Kushi Purohit. Somdat Nanda, Sanvi Pandey, Saubhagya Parashar and Tanvi Khanna. Excellent, Ruby House! Our students displayed a keen sense of scientific curiosity and maturity beyond their words in the Science Bonanza. For paper presentation, first position went to Sapphire House and the members were Atulya Sundaram and Aragdeep Das. For teaching aid, the first position went to Vartika Mishra and Suhani Patnagar. Photography is an elegant way of telling stories within a single frame. It is an art to capture landscapes, emotions, celebrations, objects, and these students prove that they have the eye to recognize and capture that perfect frame at the right time. The winner from Click the Pic competition was Nilay Shah of Topaz House. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
I would now like to call upon Ms. Nigma Kataria to felicitate our student council for exhibiting great leadership skills and determination.
Why have a student council? I would simply enunciate to prepare future leaders and decision makers. Students' involvement in the operation of the school is itself a valuable part of the education process for them. A student council provides an opportunity for students to engage in a structured partnership with teachers, parents and school managers in the operation of their school. Student councils can create a sense of ownership of the school and its activities among the student population. The establishment of a student council gives students an opportunity to acquire the sort of communication, planning and organizational skills which will be of benefit to them in their future endeavors.
Student Council 2019-20 General Council President Ananya Maheshwari, Head Boy Adarsh Shashidhar, Head Girl Lisa Kesaria. Sports Captain Boy Akash Pathak, Sports Captain Girl Rachel Ravikumar. Cultural President Boy Devpriya Shashwat, Cultural President Girl Vishwa Joshi. Head Community Outreach Saral Purohit, Head IT and Innovation Varun Matlani. Student Councillor Girl Riddhi Ramchandani, Student Councillor Boy Anmol Singh. Vice Head Boy Virat Shah, Vice Head Girl Jetun Patel. Vice Sports Captain Boy Aryan Desai. Vice Sports Captain Girl Tana Seju. Vice Cultural President Boy Darshil Shah, Vice Cultural President Girl Khwaish Agarwal. Vice Head Community Outreach Khushi Purohit. Vice Head IT and Innovation Anuj Menon. Head Event Management Boy Chaitanya Prashil, Head Event Management Girl Nancy Vanjani. Vice Head Event Management Boy Heath Desai, Vice Head Event Management Girl Sanvi Pandey. Cultural Secretary Boy Pratham Agarwal. Cultural Secretary Girl Srujana Rao. Sports Secretary Girl Nishi Kotia, Sports Secretary Boy Rajyavardhan Singh Gehlot. Ruby House Prefect Girl Niti Pattankar. Ruby House Prefect Boy Dhruv Thakkar. Emerald House Prefect Girl Riya Jasani, Emerald House Prefect Boy Shivang Kakkar. Sapphire House Prefect Girl Arshia Bhagchandani. Sapphire House Prefect Boy Kanhai Parikh. Topaz House Prefect Girl Himakshi Tiwari, Topaz House Prefect Boy Devansh Agarwal. Ruby House Vice Prefect Girl Pankti Bhargav, Ruby House Vice Prefect Boy Sparsh Datta. Emerald House Vice Prefect Girl Jania Shah, Emerald House Vice Prefect Boy Mayank Ahir. Sapphire House Vice Prefect Girl Yashvi Parikh. Sapphire House Vice Prefect Boy Ayush Jrathi. Topaz House Vice Prefect Girl Yashvi Naddi. Topaz House Vice Prefect Boy Dhananjay Gopal. Student CBSE Coordinator Girl Juhi Rathore. Student CBSE Coordinator Boy Ansh Shah. Congratulations and God bless you.
Last but not the least, we now move on to the special awards for the year 2019-20. These awards are introduced to identify unique talents and qualities of discipline, compassion, hard work and humility in children that often go unrecognized. So I would like to invite Mrs. Shelja Nair to announce the recipients of the special awards.
Greetings to one and all. They strive, they toil, they labor through tireless days and sleepless nights, endeavoring for excellence, reaching the pinnacle, leaving their footprints for others to tread. Today, we recognize, laud and encourage our young achievers who have emerged victorious in their pursuit of excellence.
Let me begin with applauding the stalwarts of Navrachna who are committed to excellence and truly deserve this recognition. The following students have cleared the NEET exam: Nupur Koditotatil, Harshini H, Hreem Shah, Meghan Shah, Arushi Patel and Sanjana Sanjeev. Nisarg Chadda with an All India ranking 16 in JEE Advance, All India ranking 2 in JEE Mains, 2 times KVPY scholar, secured admission in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Jubin Banerjee with an All India ranking 2446 in JEE Advance, got admission in IIT Banaras Hindu University. Anupsa Swain, our KVPY scholar, won the Young Mathematician Award in Infinity 2019 by Aditya Birla World Academy, Mumbai. Digant Mitra was selected for National Defence Academy. Ananya Maheshwari has secured admission in National Institute of Design, Assam. Janvi Sahni cleared CLAT and got admission in Nalsar, that is National Academy of Legal Studies and Research, Hyderabad. Devapriya Saswata also cleared CLAT and got admission in West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences. Vishwa Joshi has secured admission in National Institute of Fashion Technology, Chennai. Antara Anjal has secured admission in National Institute of Fashion Technology, Rai Bareli. Manasvi Bipin has secured admission in National Institute of Fashion Technology, Jodhpur. The recipient for the Artist of the Year under Visual Arts goes to the extremely talented cultural president of the school, Vishwa Joshi, an artist par excellence. Vishwa is very meticulous and dedicated to the task assigned to her. She was an asset to the Ruby House during many and inter-house competitions. She has worked tirelessly during school concerts and events. Vishwa scored a perfect 100 in commercial art and is currently pursuing fashion designing in NIFT Chennai, which is one of the top 3 fashion designing colleges in India. The Artist of the Year under Performing Arts goes to Ryan Robin, who is an integral part of the school band and has brought laurels to the school in the Bharat Vikas Parishad and various other music competitions. He has perfected the art of balancing between academics and following his passion, that is music. Ryan is currently pursuing mechanical engineering from PDPU. The other recipient of the award is Juhi Rathod, who plays a pivotal role in all school programs, be it choreographing or performing with her talented team. Juhi, who is an Upanti Visharad in Kathak, has proven her mettle in many a dance performances in school and in inter-school competitions. She plans to open a school of dance in the future wherein she can give a platform for true talent to be showcased. She is currently pursuing a course in design from GLS Ahmedabad. Tejaswini Harania, who receives the Spirit of Social Service Award, leads by example, wherein she dedicated many hours to teaching computer skills to the Now Prerna girl students from Standard 5 to 8. An ace in academics and a champion pistol shooter, Tejaswini has secured admission in Case Western Reserve University with scholarship. The Heart of Gold Award goes to Chaitanya Prashil, who is an extremely responsible and empathetic person to student and teachers alike. His patient understanding of the problems faced by others and coming up with solutions is what sets him apart from others. Tech Savvy Chaitanya has had a strong presence in school events like Tech Talks and RISE. An integral part of Comfest, he has won many laurels for the school. The Young Genius Award befittingly goes to our extremely humble Anupsa Swain, who is in 2019 KVPY scholar and has won the Young Mathematician of the Year award in Infinity 2019 by Aditya Birla World Academy and has qualified for Indian Mathematics National Olympiad thrice and has made to the merit list 2020. The Extra Miler Award goes to the creator and hard-working president of the school, Ananya Maheshwari, who has always walked that extra mile, put in that extra effort to keep the flag of Navrachna flying high in many inter-school events. Her leadership skills and team spirit were very well reflected in the various school organized events. This amazing artist has been a part of 10 external theatre productions. She is currently pursuing Bachelor of Design at the National Institute of Design, Assam. The Principal's Award for Leadership and Good Conduct goes to head boy Adarsh Shashidhar,
who has an impressive ability to interact and forge new connections, which made him an affable and effective leader. He is a regular munner and has chaired more than 10 MUNs. He is also an avid footballer and was a part of the team that won the Subruto Cup. Adarsh is currently pursuing mechanical engineering from FH Aachen University, Germany. And the other recipient of the award is head girl Lisa Kesaria, who is an active participant in TED Talk. Her excellent persuasive power and leadership skills shines in all school events. Lisa is a voracious reader and an active theatre artist. She aspires to be an author or a motivational speaker in the future. She is currently pursuing Applied Psychology Honours from Gargi College, Delhi University. Till 100% attendance certificate is given to those students who have never been absent from school for 6 consecutive years. But Arzan Engineer has never been absent for 9 consecutive years, that is from year 2011 to 2020. Arzan was involved in the Plastic Tide Turner project, an initiative of the Center for Environmental Education, Ahmedabad. Creating a record in the school with 100% attendance is Riddhi Ramchandani, who has never been absent for 12 consecutive years, that is from the year 2008 to 2020. She is a true role model for all the future generations as how to remain healthy and never miss school for a single day. Extremely intelligent Riddhi was one of the most dependable prefects of Emerald House. Riddhi is currently pursuing BBA Honours from PDPU. PTA Star Pupil Award is instituted by the Parent Teacher Association to the bright sparks in each class who have proven their mettle in academics and in extracurricular activities and have left a benchmark for others to follow. The student will be receiving a certificate and cash award of 1,500. In class 10, the PTA Star Pupil Award goes to effervescent Adya Joshi, who epitomizes the dedication of a true Navrachnite. Adya is basically an all-rounder with her strong presence in academic, sports and co-curricular activities alike. In class 11th, the PTA Star Pupil Award goes to Suhani Bhatnagar, who is an excellent orator and is a regular participant in ANCQ, NSTSE and Olympiads and lives by the theory of never giving up. In class 12th, the PTA Star Pupil Award goes to our child prodigy Nisarg Chadda, who has innumerable achievements in his kitty, including the All India Ranking 2 in JEE Mains, All India Ranking 16 in JEE Advanced, All India Ranking 36 in KVPY, Young Genius Award 2019, Mathematician of the Year Award at Infinity 2019, ANCQ All India Topper, Times Scholar Gold Medal, All India Ranking 2 in IIT Genius Exam and has also received the NTSE Scholarship. He is also one among the top 10 rankers in India in National Science Exam for Physics and National Science Exam for Astronomy. Extremely disciplined Nisarg is also an avid quizzer, excellent orator, a tabla player and has taken part in various debates. He was also the captain of the Under-17 volleyball team in Khel Mahakumbh. He is currently pursuing Bachelors of Science in Research from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. A huge round of applause for Nisarg. Navrachna is proud of its star. Best All-Rounder Award is given to the student who has proven and shown time and again in every sphere, be it academics, sports or extracurricular activities. The Best All-Rounder Award goes to the multi-talented Soumya Iyer, a winner in CBSE National Clusters, Khel Mahakumbh, Subruto Cup, State Level DSO Soccer Tournament and Times of India Soccer Cup. These are just few of her achievements in the sports arena. Soumya is a very good role model for the younger generations to follow due to her impressive traits like discipline, perseverance and time management. No wonder she excelled in sports
and in academics with a perfect 100% in psychology and topped entrepreneurship with 99%. Soumya is currently pursuing BBA from NMIMS. Choksi Memorial Trophy is awarded to the best house who have excelled in sports and other co-curricular activities. The 2019-20 Choksi Memorial Trophy goes to the House of the Shining Sun, Topaz House, who have garnered 209.5 points in all the activities of the school. Congratulations, Topaz House. Keep it up.
May I now invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal, to congratulate and motivate our students.
Hello, my dear Wiz kids. I feel so proud to be here today among super achievers like you all. We all know that there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. But what is amazing is that you have worked relentlessly through many dark nights and hard times, inching upwards to reach here. Your persistent performance in the year that went by has brought us all together in this space where we can sit back and reflect upon all that was done right. The stories of your triumphs always ring through the corridors of our school and validate the school's efforts in shaping young minds. Another way of looking at it, at your success, is that not only have your strategies worked so well for you, but your performance has set an example and has provided impetus and inspiration to your peers as well. Young friends, bear in mind, the path to success is not straight and you may face more autumns and winters. You may fail more often than you succeed. But continue to better yourself and bash on regardless. Hearty congratulations on your successes, your remarkable wins. You all have truly deserved it and we are so happy for you. I take this opportunity to compliment all the parents who supported the toils and efforts of their wards with the right mix of guidance and encouragement. More power to you, my superheroes, as you take on the challenges, especially in the current year of the pandemic. Cheers to more victories and keep up that sunny smile.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. It will surely make a positive difference in the perception of our students have about various fields in life. I now request Ms. Shamishta Paul to propose the vote of thanks.
We have all witnessed prizes galore for the best and deserving students. Our institution firmly believes that the reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more. With this, I once again congratulate all the students and their proud parents for this remarkable and phenomenal achievement. On behalf of Navrachna fraternity, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chairperson, Mrs. Tejal Amin, for always being our beacon of inspiration. I would also like to thank our trustees and PTA members to have supported us in all our endeavors. A virtual shout out to our IT team for always being our unflinching troopers and making the virtual events a success. Thank you.
To close, I'd like to quote Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the will to continue that counts. I now request everyone to rise and join the school choir for the school song.
We are the children of the light. We are the blissful Navrach nights, singing in joy, heading for success. We shall become, no one can suppress. Our aim is to fly and bubble. Our goals and targets seem so near. We have faith inculcated in us by ever-inspiring teachers. We shine, we'll win, we'll reach the sky. The Navrachna banner will stay up high. We'll always be and remain erudite. Where the proud sky